this is Bonfire Samurai 332. This is currently bonfire night in the UK, and I am in. Oh my God! I'm in Danson Park, where is one of the most biggest firework displays in Kent. This is just a starter. Right now on Bonfire Night, like this video and subscribe and share to others. And if you want to, enjoy the show. And here's the 10-minute mark of when the fireworks start. Oh my God! Ah! Holy crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I just wonder where do they get these fireworks from? I want them. Actually, it starts. Ah! Bing, 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 bing. I'll give you to the next part. Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God, it's shimmering. I love shimmering. Oh God! This video might end soon because I have low battery. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'll give you back for the next one. And it's going again. I'll keep on skipping the video so you can get the full preview of the fireworks, so you don't have to wait. For people who are not at Danson Park. And it's starting to get interesting. What the fuck? There's a fun fair behind me if you want to look. Oh God. I wish I had a tripod right now. I know this music. And 3, 2, 1. watching.